Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, today we're going to be checking the antifreeze level on the 2007 Yamaha Phazer Mountain Light. This can apply to a whole bunch of different phasers of this era, but we're going to go ahead and take a look where you check the antifreeze. So right here on the right hand side you can see this cover. It has two screws, one here and one right here. We're going to go ahead and loosen both those screws and take them out. So once we've got those two screws out, you can see this panel right here will be loose. So we're going to look up underneath here, and there you can see the coolant bottle. The cap's up on top, and right there is the coolant line for the cold level. Best thing you can do is take a flashlight and put behind this reservoir. My reservoir level right now, it's just a little bit warm, is right here above the cold line. So I'm good on this. I usually go ahead and change it every couple years. If you had to continue in there to actually add fluid, you would need to take the windshield off, take off this black cover under here, and then right here on the inside you'll see a screw. You take that screw out and this panel will come the rest of the way off to access it. Yamaha, if I recall, recommends 60-40 antifreeze for these machines, 60% antifreeze, 40% distilled water. I usually just put 50-50 distilled water and antifreeze in there. I just buy the stuff at Walmart or something like that that's all pre-mixed, ready to go. Put it in there. We don't go in cold enough climates that it matters, and it also seems to cool a little bit better. So have had good luck with that, never had any issues. If you do need to change it out, you would go down here on the bottom of the sled, take both these side covers off, and you would take the antifreeze hoses loose underneath and dump as much as you can out. Then I've used like a wet dry vac and suck some of it out as well to try to get it out of there. So you get as much as you can out and then change it out. So works out pretty easy, but that's how you check the antifreeze. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.